This video is all about adding a Gutenberg widget to your WordPress header. The pros to this method are that Gutenberg is familiar to everyone. There are more block options, and it also leads to many possibilities, such as putting an animated logo in your header, and I'm going to show how to do that in my next video, and I'll leave the link in the video description. So we have a little practice site here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install a theme that allows you to insert a widget into the header. And that theme is Astra. So we're going to go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, and use Astra. Now if you activate this theme, it looks kind of simple at first, but there's plenty of Gutenberg templates, a lot of options, so I'll put some links in the video description as well. So once you get that installed, we're going to go to the customizer and go to header builder. And you see you have all these options for the header. I'm not going to go into creating the header in here. I'm just going to show you how to put in the WordPress widget. So it starts you off with a logo and maybe a menu. If you want to add something in one of the rows, you just click it and choose one of the little widgets. But if one of the options isn't enough, this is where the WordPress widget comes in. You go ahead and select it. And if I click it, you'll see it opens up Gutenberg in the sidebar. So I'm not going to create the widget in the sidebar. I'm going to go ahead and just publish it. And right now it's just a blank widget in the middle. Get out of the customizer and go to Appearance Widgets. And Astra displays all your widgets here. We'll go to Header Builder Widget 2, the one that I put in. And we'll go ahead and make it here. So I'm just going to do something simple for this example, and I'm going to update it. And notice you can also add more blocks to this widget. So if I wanted to, I could even do like a 2-column or a 3-column, and you could even do like an image here, or you can actually do a lot within one widget. You're not just limited to one block. But anyway, this is just one block. Go ahead and look at that. And you see you got it right there in your header. So the next video I'm going to do is going to use the same method to show an animated logo within your header. But that's it for this video. Keep in mind there are resources in the video description, and feel free to like and sub if this video is at all helpful. Thanks for watching.